Hello and welcome to the new BTC latest updates. And this update, I obtained it from one of the major team leader in NEWBTC, and it was taken from his Facebook page. Okay, this update is not at the moment in the official Telegram channel, but I know that the information is authentic, right? The last time they updated the Telegram channel with news and updates was on the 16th of August, but this video that I'm about to play for you guys to listen to was posted on Facebook on the 20th of August, and I want you guys to just pay attention and listen if you are in this platform with me. So let's take a listen.
Excited to share some significant updates as of August 20th, 2025 concerning our new Bitcoin mining business opportunity. There are some interesting changes on the horizon that promise to benefit our community and open new doors for everyone involved. First, let's talk about the new smart contract. This change will take place in the first week of September. A smart contract is like a set of rules that our system follows, and an updated version can help us improve how we operate. The new contract we will be moving to is designed to enhance our network's efficiency. One cool feature of the new smart contract is a new dashboard. This dashboard will have a swapping facility, which means you will be able to exchange your assets internally. Think of it like having a special area where you can trade things without having to go elsewhere. This internal exchange makes trading much easier for everyone involved. Another exciting point is that the launching of this new smart contract is expected to help raise the price of NEWBTC. NEWBTC is our cryptocurrency, and we believe it could reach a new all-time high, also known as ATH. This means that the value of NEWBTC could go higher than ever before, creating potential gains for all of us. In addition to the smart contract update, we'll be launching massive marketing initiatives after the transition. You might see NEWBTC, NEWBTC, and newest banners showcased across many top exchanges. Marketing is crucial because it helps more people learn about our project and encourages them to join our community. Now, I want to touch on our referral program. This program is how we reward people for bringing in new members. You will still earn commissions across 5 levels when you refer others. However, to receive these referral commissions, you will now need to meet 3 specific requirements. These include the number of direct referrals you have, the volume of your team levels, and the personal NEWBTC volume used for mining. These 3 requirements are important because they ensure that everyone who earns referral commissions is contributing actively to the community. We want to reward those who help our network grow. Let's talk about liquidity providers. This is another exciting opportunity for our community members. Anyone can provide liquidity in PancakeSwap, which means you can help make trading easier for others. By doing this, you can earn both NEWBTC and USDT as an additional income source. We will also hold training sessions soon to teach everyone how to become a liquidity provider. This training will give you the tools and knowledge you need to succeed in this area, which can be very rewarding. There has been some confusion about the KYC or Know Your Customer process that was mentioned by Deepak. I want to clarify that the KYC message circulating is not official communication. It's not something that has come from our developers. KYC is not required.
There you go. You heard him say KYC is not required. Okay, so if you are hearing about KYC in NEWBTC platform, that is not required in NEWBTC platform. All right, guys, so now you have listened to what the team leader there posted. So please, guys, just make sure you rewatch this video if you are not clear with the update. Otherwise, the update was very, very clear and straight to the point. So guys, keep in touch with your uplines. If you have any upline, keep in touch with him or her. If you don't have any upline, then keep coming back to my channel to get the latest updates. In the meantime, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so using the link below this video description. I look forward to seeing you in my team, and good luck.